Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the Nvidia control panel, right-click the desktop and choose it. You do this because the control panel exposes per-display color controls so you can adjust precisely. Once open, make sure your GPU driver is current. This prevents missing options. Then, navigate to Display and click Adjust Desktop Color Settings to reveal brightness, contrast, gamma, digital vibrance, and hue. From here, you're ready to pick a baseline profile. Choose the display you want to edit before changing sliders. Now you tweak the sliders: brightness, contrast, gamma, digital vibrance, and hue. You move them a little at a time. Big jumps hide problems, because small adjustments reveal how each control affects midtones, highlights, and shadows. Make sure you check Use Nvidia settings to override application or Windows defaults, then compare against the sRGB preset to understand differences. Once you have a rough match, fine-tune by toggling high-contrast scenes or photos to verify consistent color across content. Finish by clicking Apply and saving a custom profile tied to that monitor. This ensures your changes persist. You should immediately test with several images and full-screen video to confirm color, skin tones, and shadow detail look natural. If colors shift or options disappear, reset to defaults and reapply. If that fails, reinstall the Nvidia driver or switch to the monitor's factory profile to isolate hardware versus software. One key troubleshooting tip: reboot after driver changes, then recheck the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.